Hello YouTube, it's Chief Prepper here with another video. This here is going to be the EDC Pocket Dump for June of 2015. Today is June 3rd to be exact. So let's get this started. First on my right hip. This is my Smith & Wesson 469. It is loaded. I'm going to leave it like that. No need to safety check it. Right front pocket, Kershaw 1304 BW. Clip to a belt loop hanging down in my right pocket. EDC keys. Got a Olight i3S, a spare battery for it. Just this nifty little tool, a small compass, and Victorinox Classic. And here's just keychains and some keys. Right cargo pocket. It's gonna be, no, it's not a Game Boy Color. I actually found this pouch on the ground a few weeks back. I was on a late night walk and decided I'd kind of keep it and see what I can come up with it. I decided first aid kit. Here I got different size gauze. In here I got nitrile gloves, some over-the-counter medication or pain relievers. Oh, band-aids, some smaller gauze. There's some duct tape, Neosporin. There's a spare battery from my EDC light in there. It fits right into my cargo pocket perfectly. Left cargo pocket, nothing special, just plain old leather bifold, billfold, whatever. Alright, front or left pocket sits my tactical pen from Uzi. It has the glass breaker, as well as, that's right, handcuff key. Back left pocket is going to be my other EDC blade. Kershaw shuffle. The shuffle. Do the Kershaw shuffle. Back right pocket. Just keep a simple bandana. I do a lot of walking and bike riding. Do some hiking now and then. Good for wiping sweat off and stuff. On my belt on the left side, multi-tool, Leatherman Wingman. Beside that, spare mag, 12 round clip, quantity critical defense rounds. In front of that, flashlight, Zero Night, Archer 1C. That's going to be it for the EDC Pocket Dump, June 2015. Take care, you guys.